Hey buddy, this is Online Gadgets. Welcome to our channel. Are you looking for the best robot vacuums? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best robot vacuums on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. MOVA P10 Pro Ultra. If you're looking to save even more and want a newer robot vacuum with new features, check out the MOVA P10 Pro Ultra. This is essentially a dream L10s Ultra with firmware tweaks and upgrades to certain systems, which improved its performance in our tests. It has a very advanced obstacle detection system and is even better than the Roborock Seras 10 are at obstacle avoidance, so you won't have to clean before your robot vacuum can clean. Its full-featured docking station empties the robot vacuum, washes the twin mop pads with hot water for an effective clean, and dries the mop pads with hot air. This eases maintenance, though you'll still need to service the dock's water tanks and dust bag in addition to cleaning hair from the robot vacuum's brush roll and performing other tasks. Hard floor pickup performance is good, but carpet pickup performance is lacking since it doesn't use its side brush to clean edges and corners on carpet. Despite this model's lower price, recurring costs remain high due to its numerous consumable parts and multifunctional dock. And number 2. Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum. Shark's AI robot vacuum, of which there are many models with small differences between them, ticks all of the boxes that a mid-range machine should. It offers reliable cleaning performance, its mobile app is easy to use and it produces accurate home maps. On top of that, its auto-empty base is bagless, which means you won't have to spend money on extra bags every few months. Setting up the Shark is as simple as taking it and its base out of the box, plugging the base in and downloading the companion mobile app to finish things up. The machine connects to Wi-Fi, allowing you to control it via the app when you're not at home, or using Google Assistant and Alexa voice control. The first journey the Shark makes is an Explore run, during which it produces a map of your home that you can then edit from the mobile app. The Shark produced a pretty accurate floor plan of my home, and I was happy to see a re-explore option that I could use if the map wasn't up to my standards. With a completed map, you're then asked to label rooms in your home. That way, you can send the Shark to only the bedroom for more direct cleaning jobs, select no-go zones and more. And number 3. Shark PowerDetect NeverTouch Pro Robot Vacuum. This Shark machine has a mop pad that lives on its underside and will deploy it when cleaning tile, wood and other similar floors. You as the user, during the initial setup process, will indicate in your home map where you have hard floors and when you have carpet. It's not as automated as some other robot vacuums with mopping capabilities, but it's just one additional step that you should only have to do one time. When I tested the PowerDetect, I found that it had a very easy setup process, just like all of the other Shark robot vacuums I've tried, and it took very little time to putter around the main floor of my house to get an initial home map reading. After that, you can choose if you want the machine to vacuum, mop, or do both, in which case it will first vacuum the floors and then mop those freshly cleaned surfaces. Aside from the fact that it took the Roomba Vac a long time to fill up its tank before mopping, a minute or two longer than I expected, it did a nice job cleaning my mix of hardwood and tile floors. And number 4. iRobot Roomba Vac Robot Vacuum. The iRobot Roomba 105 Vac Robot Vacuum delivers exactly what you want from a modern robot vacuum: power, intelligence, and simplicity. Setup is incredibly easy, and within minutes it's navigating your home with impressive precision thanks to its LiDAR navigation system. The powerlifting suction is noticeably strong, pulling dirt, dust, and pet hair from both hard floors and carpets with ease. What really stands out is how efficiently it cleans, moving in neat, methodical rows instead of random paths, ensuring full coverage and no missed spots. It transitions smoothly across multiple surfaces, adapts well to different floor types, and avoids obstacles reliably. When the battery runs low, the Roomba 105 automatically returns to its dock to self-charge, then resumes cleaning without any intervention. Quiet, efficient, and smart, this vacuum is perfect for busy households that want consistently clean floors without the effort. Overall, the Roomba 105 is a reliable, high-performing robot vacuum that combines strong suction, intelligent navigation, and user-friendly design into one excellent package. And number 5. Anker Eufy E20 3-in-1 Robot Vacuum. Anker's Eufy home brand made a first-of-its-kind machine with the E20 robot vacuum that, surprisingly, doesn't succumb to too many of the pitfalls that a first-gen device typically does. The E20 comes as a robot vacuum with a self-emptying base, and also included in the box are the attachments to turn it into a cordless stick vacuum and a handheld vac. Just pop out the cleaning module from the Roomba Vac, snap in your attachments and get all of the conveniences of a cordless vacuum without spending, potentially, double to buy a second device. Perhaps unsurprisingly, the E20 excels as a robot vacuum. Eufy has made a number of solid Roomba Vacs over the years, and the E20 is no exception, dutifully sucking up dirt, debris and pet hair as it putters around your home. In my testing, it rarely got stuck on household objects like doormats, and it has good obstacle avoidance. I also appreciate that it's smart enough to know when its built-in dust bin is getting full, and it will return to its base to empty it periodically as it cleans.